So it is technically about to hit us with pretty bad storms. It looks like Robert's backing in the truck because it's supposed to be storming pretty bad. If I turn this camera around, you might see some lightning. Hold on, it's like a lightning storm way up there. We're about to get slammed with severe tornadic storms. That's pretty cool. Are you gonna back in the truck? Huh. It's probably gonna start hailing here. You might want to get it pulled in. We'll attempt to. Sorry. It's gonna be starting like baseball-sized hail, dude.
Yeah, Mike, got pretty
The weather.
at the power flash just a moment ago. There was a large, very close cloud ground lightning strike followed by a
What a heat index.
like right over downtown Guthrie. Noticed a lot of businesses, a lot of power, a lot of street lights went out as well.
This is in Guthrie.
And now get a little bit but I'm keeping an eye.
We are about to get slammed with some tornadic storms. And my dad, Robert, is trying to pull in the cars so they don't get broke the windshield. It's supposed to get like baseball-sized hail, quarter-sized hail, I don't know. And it's gonna start raining pretty hard here. But there's been tornadoes way up north and stuff, like above us, and they're coming our way like any time now. But I'll show you News Channel 4.
Go over to Max, and we'll look at the hail core. Hail core coming right through Guthrie right now. It's a big tennis ball. It's getting even in between tennis ball and baseball size. So here's the actual town of Guthrie. Here's I-35. Here's Highway 33. So Cedar Valley, of course, is right here. Lake Lottawatta, a little bit to the west of that. Large hail core here. Biggest hail.
Be careful, guys. Don't travel outside.
So it's a pretty wide hail core here. Golf ball to tennis ball. The computer's cranking out almost baseball with it now.
Yeah, Robert had to lock him out because he pulling the cars in. Sorry. Yeah, see, we're technically in a heat index 99.
So we want to be away from windows, that tornado safe spot.
Yeah, look at all that tornado. Tornado touchdown in Logan County already. You can see it spinning.
He needs to make an effort to try to tighten up, and he's not quite doing it. Tornado warning in effect, but this is 80 plus miles per hour. This is hurricane force winds right here on the west side of Guthrie out to about Cedar Valley. So wide damaging wind. Where is that headed? Well, here's I-35. So we're down towards Seward and Nevada right now. Lake Guthrie, that's where we are right here. And that damaging.
So yeah, guys, that is your local weather update.
Here, so it's coming right into Oak Tree. And
oh man!
It's going to be going barreling right.
Just trying to make it look
from there. We're not going.
He just had surgery last week.
Western Avenue, Penn Avenue, Coffee Creek, Sorghum.
Guys, stay off the roads, please. Stay inside. Stay away from windows.
Central Edmond is where that hot.
And please watch this to the comment if you watch this to the end. Look.
Look at the lightning here. Also with John, he's looking at the velocity.
Look at that lightning, man. Woo!
And that damaging storm continues.
Yeah, that's all of that is coming to Oklahoma City and more Oklahoma.
Edmond, the entire area of Edmond, central Edmond, west Edmond, in the cross for a damaging wind and storm. You literally have a couple of minutes now to protect the property. You need to do
Stay away from windows because it's not dangerous. Cover your windows or something. Or just stay away from them. Okay, that's your weather update. Bye.